welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the Adventures of Elliot, the Millennium Tales gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, here you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and from here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, this time select disable Steam input and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, now search for settings. From here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. After that, from here you have to remove your controller first. For that, click on three dot icon, then click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else. After that, from here you have to add your controller and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates, wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check. So for that, go to Steam. From here you will get an update option. If there is any update available, click on it, and once the game is updated, launch it and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or simply you can go through the link that I have already provided in the description over here. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, you have to go below and from here you have to click on download option. So once the DS4 Windows tool is downloaded, you have to install it, and after that, once DS4 Windows tool is installed, you have to launch the game and then check for the error. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.